Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you two different ways of how to add an order note on your Shopify cart page. So you can collect special instructions about how to prepare or deliver an order or any additional information from your customers. Okay, so let's get into it. Before we start, if you are selling clothes from AliExpress, make sure you check the size and easily import any size chart from AliExpress with just one click. Okay, so we are going to start with the first method and later I'll show you the second one. From your Shopify Admin store, go to Online Store, click on Customize. Once you are on your Shopify theme editor, click on this drop-down menu up here, click on Cart, and now on the left side we are going to click on Subtotal, click on Theme Settings, and now mark Enable Cart Note. Go ahead and click on Save. Now, if you want to add this order cart note label, you can just go back to your Shopify admin store. From here, we are going to click on the three dots of our theme, click on Add Default Theme Content, and here we are going to search for Note. Scroll down to find your cart note, and here we are going to have this section cart note, and just go ahead and replace it with your text. Don't forget to save it when you are done. And now I am also going to show you the second way of how you can easily add another cart note. It's a little bit different, it's with another theme. If this first way wasn't helpful, so I am going to click again on Online Store. I will choose my theme. I will click on Customize again. Up here, I will click on this drop-down menu. I'm going to click on Cart, and as you can see, this theme is a little bit different from the another one. So if I click on Cart Page, I'm going to also see this Enable Cart Notes. I will mark this Enable Cart Notes, and my cart notes, it's already up here, over here. So I'm going to click on Save, and I can also add this cart note label. If I actually go back to my Shopify admin store, I am going to choose my theme, and I will click on the three dots. I'm going to click on the Edit Default Theme Content. Now I will search for Note. And if I scroll down a little bit, I am going to also find this cart note over here. Okay, so just type whatever you want. And don't forget to hit the save button. That's it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, please let them down in the comments section. And if you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.